Oh, God damn it, look.
Oh, shit.
Dude, I gotta.
Alright, guys, we're out here on the Ohio River doing a little stripe fishing, any kind of bass fishing today. I couldn't do a proper intro because it was absolutely pouring on us, so we're just out here having fun and enjoying the time. And we're on Steven's boat, just trying to make the best of a rainy day. So y'all stay tuned, enjoy us catching fish.
That one back there, in the middle right there. Throw that motherfucker. You're gonna be the one catching on that. That's the one I wanted to use. I'm gonna grab this one before. The boat's coming.
This thing can cast. Oh!
You on? What happened? You see him missing?
No, he's on, he's on. He's on.
Is he big?
No.
Oh, I see him.
Dude, I didn't know.
What happened? You feeling hit?
Dude, I felt him hit it, and then I was like, oh, he let off. Oh, hell.
Usually if they schooled up, you probably get another one right in that same spot.
Oh! I stabbed myself. See you, buddy.
That one's got the best color on right now.
I know, no shit.
It's fucking perfect one.
A fucking giant stick. I think I'm on a giant stick. I am. Fucking. Oh, there we go. Right into the fucking boat floor. Oh.
You on?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. You sure? Looks like one. It looks like a
Oh, it is.
fish.
It is.
Is it a big one?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
They're
Yeah.
fucking huge. I'm telling you. You're
Yeah.
gonna shit your pants when you see this thing. They're big. Damn. Is it big?
He ain't bad.
Hold him in there.
Oh. Hell yeah. Stripers are biting? Shit yeah. Give me some knuckle.
Good job, dude. Good job, dude.
Hell, we might have a little striper fishing video going on now.
You didn't hit this back. I don't need to go all the way back down and do it again.
Oh hell, the fucking net. It's a pretty good one.
You want a picture of it?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me go on a snapshot. I'm gonna put that yellow one on.
Oh.
Nice one?
Oh yeah. This is a good one. This is a good one. It has to be. It has to be a good one.
Is the video rolling?
Yeah, it's rolling.
Oh yeah.
It's rolling.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah.
There ain't no yellow one.
They are,
You
dude.
got more yellow ones. Yeah, I got a couple yellow ones. Alan, you put one on there? Can you put one on there, Alan? You found the color for sure.
Yeah. That's good. See you, buddy. Thanks. Hopefully there's some. Oh shit. That fucking went in.
Float back down this way.
Yeah.
So much harder to fucking
Fish
on
this
side.
way, yeah.
Was it huge?
It was fucking huge. Did you see that?
I just saw the splash.
It was this fucking big.
Oh, I got one more. Oh,
Hey!
largemouth! Yay! That's a fucking nice pot.
Hell yeah. Dude, right when I was just missing that. Right when I was just.
I'm gonna try to catch this big bastard down here.
Dude, yes. It almost looked like a drum though.
They look like that kind. I mean,
That's what. Yeah, it looked like that, but it was a big.
Might have been a drum, honestly.
That fucker was huge though.
Several drums on these too.
Dude, on the river too. Remember him telling us that?
Yeah. Look at that, man. It's cool.
No, I'm gonna get a video of that after we fucking fish it for a second.
Ooh, big one. Oh, he's not bad. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Who's line dog?
Probably mine. Stoving's on the board. It's a good fish.
Get the net down. Just fighting hard. Oh, it's a catfish.
I'm peeing on my foot.
Fucking catfish. A nice channel, baby. We could really do a catch cook and clean that off.
No shit. Camera was off so I could piss, so. And I think my finger was over most of it when I did get it recording.
Oh, God damn it, look.
Oh shit.
Dude, I got a fucking hole in me.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Dude,
I might
you're
fucking
leaking.
die.
You're gonna die.
Bruh, give me a fucking, give me something.
How bad really is it? Oh,
Bruh.
oh! Are you gonna die?
Did you see that?
Yes. Are you gonna die?
Dude, I've never seen blood squirt like that.
I'm looking at an artery graph right here.
Artery.
Yeah.
Is there an artery there?
I mean, I've always known them to be like,
Yeah.
fucking, like up here in your leg.
Dude, oh my god.
We decided to take a little break from catching striper and little mean ass catfish, and we're gonna try to find some arrowheads. Let's go.
Let me see.
Dr. Shoop's Family Medicines.
Let me see the names on it. Badass.
Holy shit, Austin, wait till you see this.
Damn. Holy shit. What the fuck could that be?
It's a fucking,
Casing.
it's
Yeah,
a musket ball.
it's a
or
musket
something.
ball.
I know the rings mean something, like they're different calibers, like 3 rings are different calibers. But it's probably like, I don't know if it's Civil War or not, but
Dang.
that's crazy. We're fine to the day of this Dr. Shoop's Family Medicines from Rison, Wisconsin. I don't know, little cork top. And I'm fairly certain this is a Civil War ball, but I'm not 100% yet. I'm about to look it up.
What to figure out. It's pretty cool finds.
Oh,
Alan didn't find nothing. And I also didn't find nothing. Steven got both of them. I don't know. What are we going to do?
take those.
We're going to fish a little more.
Okay, okay.
We're going to do something to make the video spicy. No, I'm just kidding. We're going to we're going to figure out what we're going to do. We might fish. Bow fishing's out. We do have the bow, but no fish want to die today. So we're going to Probably go fish some more if I had to guess. Maybe hit that bank, maybe the fish are cooled back again. Maybe we'll go to a different spot, don't know. But y'all stay tuned. Oh! He's on one. Small one.
Right here, there's a waterfall for real. I'm scared of you touching me. Right one of the smaller ones on here. There it is. Reel it in.
Tarzanus. Got the stuck lure. Oh shit. Hell yeah. That you were talking. Oh!
You on?
Yes. Yeah, it's not a very good. Oh yeah, it is.
Is it good?
Decent one.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah. Yes,
Probably the
dude.
biggest one of the day, really. Bring that motherfucker down here. Get him the fuck away from me.
Dude, scared of fish.
Hey, but we've caught like 5 striper, a catfish that stabbed me in the hand, and I bled almost to death, and I think I might still have to go to the hospital.
Hey, alright, we gotta use.
Alright, so we've been catching about this size all day, looking for a little bigger, but that's what we're after. After anything, but just a little bigger than this and be cool. Get a release video on this guy.
Yep. Sorry, also filming. I was trying to stay incognito.
Is Alan on one?
One.
Oh, Alan's on one.
I was on one. Hold on, I gotta go.
Oh, he's boat flipping.
Whoa, a sauger!
Oh,
You
dang.
got a sauger.
We're multi-species in the river.
Dude, we've got a catfish, a sauger. Man, we caught fish for like
Alan's first sauger.
Catching everything.
Catching everything.
It's going right in my thumb.
Yeah, I probably would just kill him.
a sauger, man. I'm on one.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Alan, grab the net.
That's not big.
Oh, boat flip. Got that one on cam too. Well, he's about to get another hole in his hand.
I'm gun shy.
Oh, I'm on one too.
Are you?
Oh.
Doubled up.
That's a oh fuck! That was a largemouth.
Was it?
Decent one. I was ripping all crazy.
Dude, that thing's got to be thrown over the water.
Dude, it is.
There's no way it's not, right?
Oh,
You on?
yeah, it's a good one, Steve. It's a good one. Alan, you grab the camera. It's a good one. Oh, maybe not.
Catfish, snag. No, snagged him though.
Now hook.
Probably did look like a feel like a good one.
Yeah, it did. Dang it, buddy. I didn't want that hook. Whoa. Barely. Down hook. Don't count. Alright guys, that wraps it up for today. We did catch a bunch of fish. It did almost cost Steven a limb, but still might. But that wraps it up for today. We had a heck of a time, caught a lot of fish. I hope y'all enjoyed that. And keep coming back for more. Out.
Look at the ducks.